What if I told you the secret to richer soil and bigger worms is already in your kitchen? Not compost, not fertilizer, just rice. This humble grain is a feast for the hidden world beneath our feet. Today I'll show you 3 simple ways to use rice to transform your soil. Whether it's cooked, uncooked, or just the rinse water, rice can breathe new life into your garden. Let's unlock its power. First, let's use plain, cooked rice. No salt, oils, or spices. After a meal, scatter leftover rice thinly over tired garden soil, like sowing seeds. Cover it with mulch or leaves. This keeps pests away and creates a dark, damp haven for earthworms. In just days, you'll see worms gathering, pulling grains into their burrows and enriching the soil with their castings. This isn't long-term soil building, but an instant boost, an invitation for worms to get to work where you need them most. It's a simple, satisfying way to connect with the life just beneath your garden's surface. Try it and watch your soil come alive. Now, let's talk uncooked rice. Raw grains offer a slow-release banquet for soil microbes, the foundation of healthy soil. Lightly crush the rice to help microbes break it down faster. Sprinkle a handful into your compost pile as a compost activator, or bury it 2 to 3 inches deep in garden beds. This keeps pests away and lets microbes quietly transform the rice into nutrients over weeks or months. The result? A steady release of energy that builds a resilient soil food web and attracts more worms. It's a patient gardener's trick for deep, lasting fertility. Feed the microbes, and the whole garden thrives. Finally, don't pour out that cloudy rice rinse water. It's a gentle, liquid fertilizer. Rinse your rice in a bowl, save the milky water, and use it to water your plants or compost. It's packed with starch and trace nutrients, perfect for seedlings and young plants. There's no risk of burning roots, and it won't attract pests. Pour it on your compost to boost microbial activity, or use it as a mild feed for your garden. This is sustainable gardening at its simplest, turning kitchen waste into garden gold. Close the loop, waste nothing, and nurture your soil with every meal. 3 easy ways to use rice for a richer, more vibrant garden. Feed the soil, and you feed the whole system: microbes, fungi, and worms. Next time you cook rice, save some for your garden and watch nature do the rest. Sometimes, the simplest things make the biggest difference. Try it and see your garden thrive. See you next week on Nature's Fix.